Hello students, welcome back again, and today I'm going to explain you about degree of comparison. That means I have given you some sentences related to adjective, and that means how can we identify the sentences related to positive, comparative and superlative. If you'll find adjective enclosed with as on that time we have to understand the sentence related to positive degree. After the adjective, if you'll find then, on the time we should understand the sentence is related to comparative degree. If you'll find, that means the before the adjective, okay, on that time you should understand the that means sentence related to superlative degree. Okay, that means I am telling you how will you change the sentence from positive to comparative. Okay, at first you should change this form, that means tall to, that means comparative degree, and the comparative degree of tall is taller. After then you should use, just like I've told you, that you should use than when you are that means converting the sentence from positive degree to comparative, you should use here than. Okay. After then you should remove these two words from here, as or so as, whatever you will see here, you have to remove these two words from there. And after then you should use as that means object at the place of subject, and subject will come at the place of object, and you should not convert the subject. That means you have to write the same word what is given there. Okay, and after then you should use is MR according to the new subject as you have used here. So you should use here you, after then you should use are, and if you will find here the sentence, you should convert this sentence into negative. Okay, so you should use here not, because this sentence is related to positives, and so I have used here negative sentence. Okay, now you can say that this sentence is related to comparative degree. And after that, listen carefully, second sentence is showing that this sentence is related to comparative degree because we are finding here than. So how should we use? And the most important thing is that we should remove this word from here, and we should use as or so as. Okay, between as or so as. So you can write here beautiful what is given here. Okay, and after then I've told you that you should use what is given here, Radha, as a subject. So you should use the same word here, Radha. Okay, and after then what is given here, that means I've told you that object will come at the place of subject, and subject will come at the place of object. So you should use here Geeta. Okay, and according to is MR you should use the same, that means according to subject you should use here is. So here it is given negative sentence, so we should not, that means we should remove this not from here. So here it is given Radha is not more beautiful than Geeta, that means Geeta is as beautiful as that means Radha. So meaning will not be changed, meaning will be same, because this type of sentence is known as also that means a transformation of the sentence. Okay, you can say that this is changed into positive degree. Now listen carefully, here it is given a cat runs faster than a rat, that means at first we have to use this word from here, a rat, and we have to convert this into negative, and we are knowing very well that this sentence is showing after the subject here is given verb in fifth form. So we can say that this sentence is related to that means simple present tense. So if you are converting the simple present tense into negative, that means on the time we should use do or does, and so here it is given s or yes, so we should use here does. So a rat does, because we are converting this sentence into negative. So a rat does not, that means run, and I've told you that if you are converting the sentence from comparative to positive, on that time your that means this adjective should be enclosed with as, okay, or so as. So run as, or you can write here so as, whatever you want here. So faster as a cat. Okay, now you can say that this sentence is related to comparative degree because here it is given er, and after them than. So these two is showing that the sentence related to comparative degree, and we have changed into positive degree. And now listen the last sentence what I have given to you. Mohan is the tallest. This though, that means this is showing that the, or est is showing that this sentence is related to superlative degree. So we have to change this and superlative degree into, that means positive degree or comparative. So we can say Mohan is taller than any other boy of this class. When you are converting from superlative to comparative, on the time where it is not necessary that you have to use negative sentence. So here it is given Mohan is the tallest boy of this class, the meaning should be same. So it is given Mohan is, I have converted into the comparative degree. So Mohan is taller than any other. If you have any problem on that time, you can share your problem in the comment box. Okay students, thank you.